How to enable or disable Apple Cash to send and receive money on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Next, tap on Apple Cash, tap on the toggle button to turn it off. And here, when you turn it off, there is a pop-up. It says turn off Apple Cash on this iPhone. Tap on the turn off button, and that will switch us off Apple Cash. If you want to turn it on, just tap on the toggle button to switch it back on. When you turn it back on, you need to enter the Apple account password. And now it is turning back on, and then you can tap on continued. Put in your passcode, and it is setting up Apple Cash. Here it says you need to verify your identity. Tap on continued, and put in the passcode again, then tap on next. And here you need to complete your verification process. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.